Right now, everybody seems to be cheering on the Oregon Supreme Court for ousting 10 Republicans, but that's not really what people should be cheering about. Don't get us wrong. If you're a left-wing individual, this might appear at first glance to be a victory for the Democratic Party, but it's actually a victory for everyone. This ruling on Measure 113, which was voter-approved, is about holding the highest ranks of society responsible for their jobs. Most people don't realize it, but people on both sides have been using staged walkouts to stall the voting and lawmaking process throughout the United States of America for literally decades at this point. It has held our society back for too long, and this is a huge step forward. All Measure 113 does is say that those who have gathered more than 10 unexcused absences will not be eligible for re-election. This is a completely nonpartisan measure and does not target the Republicans or the Republican Party in any way whatsoever, shape or form, across any metric. In this thing we call reality, people who miss too many days at work get fired. Why not with politicians as well? Why do politicians get to excuse themselves from the voting process, holding back hundreds of bills waiting to be approved into law or turned down, and go off onto vacations to tropical paradises in different countries? If the Republican Party actually cares about this country and its organized maintenance and operation, then we would recommend they follow Oregon's example and pass similar laws in their own states. Let's stop stalling the enshrinement of laws for weeks at a time in our country just because of petty ideological disputes, because we can't understand that there are indeed things that would benefit our country as a whole. Let's get to work. Let's stand strong, and let's stand together.